Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this video is on top MCQs of ICSE 10th chemistry for first semester board examination. Now there are some rules for this video. You have to pause the video and answer the correct option. If you are correct, then you have to give yourself 1 point, and when you play the video you'll come to know the answer. So comment your score in the comment section. I am really excited to know your scores, your points. Let's begin with question 1. Elements in a period all have the same number of dash in their atoms. You have to pause the video. Now answer is option B, that is electron shells. The metallic character dash in a group as one moves from top to bottom. Pause. Answer is option A, increases. The energy required to remove an electron from a neutral isolated gaseous atom and convert it into a positively charged gaseous ion is called. Pause the video. Answer is option A, ionization potential. The most electronegative element from following element is. Pause. Answer is option B, chlorine. If an element A belongs to period 3 and group 2, then it will have. Pause. Answer is option D, that is 3 shells and 2 valence electron. A halogen, that is radioactive. Pause. C, astatine, whatever you call it. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down to the group of the periodic table? Pause. C, valence electrons. An atom of an element has the electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. To which group does it belong? Pause. Answer is option D. The longest period of the modern periodic table is dash period. Pause. Answer is option D, that is 6th. The inert gas which lies in third period is. Pause. Answer is option C. The property of an element in the periodic table depends on its dash. Answer is option C. And it also depends on the atomic number, because atomic number and electronic configuration are the same thing, right? Like atomic number is 11, so the electronic configuration will be 281. Calcium belongs to dash family. Answer is option B. Make sure that you learn all these alkali metals, halogens, inert gases, and alkaline earth metals. Which compound has all three bonds? That is ionic, covalent, and coordinate bond. Answer is option B, ammonium chloride. The number of lone pair of electrons in the molecule of water are. Answer is option B. And yes, there are 54 questions in total. So you have to tell your marks out of 54. The non-metallic character depends upon the dash of the elements. Pause. Answer is option B. The basic salt is. Answer is ammonium chloride. The element which can displace H from acid is. Answer is Fe. Now, iron is the element placed above hydrogen in electrochemical series, hence it can displace hydrogen from acid. The molecular mass of benzene is, in this case, I will give you C equal to 12 and H equal to 1. These are the atomic masses that will be given. So, after calculating, you will get answer as 78. Since benzene is C6H6, so this will be 6 multiplied 12 plus 6 into 1, right? 72 plus 6 is 78. Ionic compounds have dash, melting and boiling point. Answer is option A. Now, which of the following are isoelectronic to Na positive? Answer is option D. The gas liberated by reaction of Fe and H2SO4 is, this is dilute H2SO4. Answer is option B, hydrogen. When you react Fe with H2SO4, you get FeSO4 plus H2. Now, which metal is the least active metal among Be, Ca, Al and Pt? The answer is option D, that is platinum. The group 1 elements are also known as, answer is alkali metals. The electrons which are formed by covalent bonding and have electron efficient compound, that is more number of electrons. Answer is option A. Moving on. Aluminium atom loses 3 electrons in valence shell to acquire a stable configuration of nearest noble gas. Answer is option B. Now, vapor density of CH4 is, first you have to calculate the molecular mass of CH4. C is 12 and H is given 1. These elements and their atomic masses will be given. So answer will be, molecular mass is 2 into Vd. So Vd will be 16 by 2. Since molecular mass is 16, answer is option A. Periodic table is classified in dash periods and dash groups. Answer is option A. The bond formed by the one-sided sharing of electron is, answer is option C. The compound having molecular formula C10H20 is given. Its empirical formula is, the answer is option B. The reaction takes place at anode in electrochemical cell is dash. Answer is oxidation. The number of electrons present in valence shell of alkaline earth metal is, answer is option A. 8 नंबर को आप सेव कर लीजिए अपने कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में. आपके चाहे कोई भी डाउट हो, मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, आपको सबके आंसर्स मिलेंगे इस नंबर पर. इसके लिए आपको पहले सेव करना पड़ेगा इसको कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में. उसके बाद आपके जो भी डाउट्स हैं आपको उसकी फोटो क्लिक करनी है. फोटो क्लिक करने के बाद उसे क्रॉप करना है और सेंड कर देना है इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे. तुरंत पाए वीडियो सॉल्यूशन 5 सेकंड के अंदर 6 to 12 IIT JEE मेंस एंड एडवांस नीट और सारे स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए. तो देर किस बात की, अभी अपना डाउट इस नंबर पे भेजिए और इंस्टेंट सॉल्यूशन पाएं. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Copper salt gives dash color precipitate when it reacts with aqueous NaOH. Answer is option A. Question number 19. Anions migrate to dash during electrolysis. Answer is option B. Which of the following is not an alkali? Answer is option C. Alkali are water soluble bases and CuOH whole twice, that is copper hydroxide, is not soluble in water. On moving from left to right in period valency dash. Answer is, first it increases and then it decreases. Group 2 elements are dash agents. Answer is option B, that is reducing. Now question number 23. Anode mud is dash behind at the bottom of the cell. Answer is option A. A colored metal ion is dash. Answer is option D, all of the above. You have to learn all the colors of these ions, that is in the chapter of analytical chemistry. Dash are responsible for the passage of electric current. Answer is B. An electrically charged atom is called dash. Answer is B. Dash salt is dissolved in NaOH. Answer is option C, that is zinc and lead. The common name of acetic acid is, answer is option A, CH3COOH. The formula of green vitriol is, answer is option B, FeSO4.7H2O. Now this 7 is the water of crystallization. Dissociation is the process of dash of ions. Answer is option A. Which one is soluble oxide? Answer is option D, that is potassium oxide. Because when you dissolve it with water, you get potassium hydroxide. This is the reaction. K2O plus H2O gives 2KOH. The ion easily discharged at anode. Answer is option D. The atomic size of inert gases are dash, then other group elements. Answer is option A. Acids are the substance which gives dash ions in water. Answer is option A. The formula which represents whole simplest whole number ratio. Answer is option B, the simplest whole number ratio. The relationship between molecular formula and empirical formula is, answer is option A. You have to practice all the numeric that are in syllabus, like the percentage composition and empirical formula, molecular formula, but you don't have to take risks. You can also revise other topics as well. I have covered all of these numericals in my video that is in the description box. Go and watch it. Now you have to copy and complete the following table. This is salt and this is the method of preparation. It's already given here. Some methods used for laboratory preparation of salts are. Now, when you fill up this table, you can pause the video. I'll tell you the answer. Option A, correct answer is B1. Option B, correct answer is C, third part. Option C, correct answer is D, first part. And option D, correct answer is B, second part. Comment your score out of 54. Thank you for watching this video. And please like this video, subscribe my channel. All the best for your chemistry exam.